How to get back missing Samsung Notes. This tutorial shows you how to recover and restore your Samsung Notes app on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Following that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now, tap on Show System Apps to view all applications. Moving forward, scroll down and look for Samsung Notes in the list. If you find it, tap on Samsung Notes. Check if the app is disabled by looking at the Enable button. Tap on Enable if the option is available. The app will be restored to your app drawer and home screen. Alternatively, if Samsung Notes is completely uninstalled, open the Galaxy Store app. Search for Samsung Notes in the search bar. Tap on Samsung Notes from the search results. Tap on Install to download and reinstall the app. Once installed, open Samsung Notes. Afterwards, if you had previously backed up your notes to Samsung Cloud, they'll automatically sync back. Sign in with your Samsung account if prompted to restore your notes. Your missing Samsung Notes and data should now be recovered. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you get back missing Samsung Notes, give it a like, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.